Glycine. Glycine is an amino acid that your body uses to create proteins, which are essential for tissue maintenance and the generation of vital substances like enzymes and hormones. Our body naturally produces glycine from the other amino acids. This is commonly found in foods rich in protein and available as a dietary supplement. Aside from being a component of protein, glycine also has health benefits. Some of the benefits are: first, glycine is one of the amino acids that produce powerful antioxidants, such as glutathione. Glutathione protects our cells against harmful free radicals that are known to embody diseases. When our body doesn't have enough glycine, the production of glutathione will decline, and this could adversely impact our body's handling of oxidative stress. Second, glycine is the main amino acid in collagen. With this amino acid, we can get enough support for collagen production. Because collagen is the most abundant protein essential to our skin and prevents bone loss, supplementing your body with it can provide strength for the muscles, skin, blood, and bones. Lastly, glycine may also increase our body's ability to use nitric oxide, an essential enzyme that improves blood supply and decreases blood pressure.